Meaning of dyspepsia.
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 Dyspepsia. Dyspepsia is a medical term that refers to a group of symptoms related to the digestive system. These symptoms may include a feeling of discomfort or pain in the upper abdomen, bloating, nausea, and an overall feeling of fullness after eating. Dyspepsia can be caused by a variety of factors such as certain foods, stress, smoking, or an underlying medical condition. Treatment for dyspepsia typically involves lifestyle changes such as avoiding trigger foods, managing stress, and taking over-the-counter medications to alleviate symptoms. In some cases, prescription medications may also be necessary.